Alright, hello everybody. I found out last night, if you, I don't know if I've uploaded it yet or not, but I've got to where I got this old vise that I'm restoring, and I went to grinding on it, trying to buff out all the scratches and weld splatter and all that stuff off of there. Well, I really didn't notice it last night, but when I come back out here today, that darn dust is all over the place. You can tell, look, that dust is all over the place, literally. So I had to take everything down, clean it up, get all that weld dust off of it, because I work with wood primarily. So basically what I had to do is just take it and just clean everything off. Everything needed cleaning anyway, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But I don't want to do that again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build me a three-sided box. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I'm going to have an open side to where I can put this in. I'm going to have a hole cut out for my vacuum hose to go down in there. And then I'm going to work inside that box of any metal. That's going to keep that dust and all that crap from getting all over everything else. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm cutting some pieces for my box, and we're going to get it all put together. It shouldn't take too long, I don't think, but we're going to get it all put together, and I think it'll work out real good, once I get it together and I can actually set stuff in there, and the file, just the old file working doesn't really do it that much, but I got this little Dremel tool that I use to kind of get the hard spots out of. So that causes some splatter, and if I have to use a side grinder, that's really going to cause some splatter. But I'm going to cut these pieces, and when I get them ready for assembly, we'll come back. Alright, I got all the pieces cut, or almost all of them. I still got some braces to cut out. But that's the bottom part right there, and these are going to be the sides and the top. So we'll start putting it together, see how it goes. Yeah, you could help me. Yeah. Get over here. I'm scared you're going to hurt yourself. Could help me, Always a bridesmaid, never a bride. Hurt when you stick your face in front of it, dummy. Get your big old butt there. Got to lean back. Back up. I can't darn things in the way. That's the back side of it. It's the back side of the box. That's the side view. That's the side view. Woo! Alright. We are going to, all I like is to put the top on it. And let me turn it around so y'all can see it without the top in it yet. That's it. It's just a box. It's going to have a top on it where it'll keep it from going up. I'm going to drill a hole probably right in here somewhere to put my vacuum tube. If you don't shut up, where you at? If you don't shut up, you're going to be the first thing that gets put in this box. Yeah, see, all that old dust is getting to you, ain't it? All that old wood dust. Sawdust. Ain't it? She's alright as long as you're paying attention to her, buddy. You quit paying attention to her, she'll climb up your leg. But anyway, let me put the top on it. I gotta make the top and put it on there. I basically did this with whatever kind of junk I had in my shop here. I got darn torque bolts in there. I've got darn Phillips head wood screws in there. Just whatever I could get to make this work. That's what I had. So I made the bottom a little stouter because you're gonna put that big anything heavy that you wanted to put in here. The bottom needs to be stout. The rest of it just needs to keep the dust out. Alright, let me get to work on the top. Alright, y'all, that's it with the top on it. Like I said, it's just a simple little box one with one open side so I can get in there and work on this vise or whatever it is I want to work on that's metallic. If I got something that I want to excuse me, it's getting late. If I got something in here I want to grind metal with, it doesn't get all over my shop. It don't take but just a minute to realize that once you clean up all this mess, the last thing you want to do is have to kind of clean it up. But everything will be in here. I got the hole cut out here for my vacuum cleaner, my shop vac to suck all that old dust and stuff out with, and I can work on metal objects in here or anything that I want to that I want to control the dust with. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you got any comments down there, make sure you comment down below. Like and subscribe, like I said, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Alright, y'all, we getting there. I could not be any happier with this box that I made to try to keep all this dust, this metal dust off while I'm doing any kind of metal working in here. Coming right on along now with this baby. It's gonna be nice, I hope, whenever I get done with it. We'll see. But I like that box. I got that, like I said, I got the vacuum cleaner, the shop vac hose hooked up to it, so any kind of dust that's light, you know, that's gonna float around is gonna get sucked up in there, and that's pretty good. I mean, I got it all over my hands still. I mean, you're gonna have it all over your hands, and maybe on my face a little bit and clothes a little bit. But shoot, man, that beats having the whole shop, you know, full of that darn metal dust. So shoot, I can't be any happier with that. We're gonna get this baby cleaned on up, painted, and put into use.